Amen bantwana bezithunywa, welcome back to my channel. This is Nkosazana Ndoni Yamanzi. Thank you so much for subscribing, liking and commenting. Today we are going to discuss a crucial topic for spiritually gifted individuals. Are you feeling stuck? If you are struggling to move forward, know that you are not alone. Kuleso simo leso okuzo uzibona khona ukuthi yazi ngistakile, ayikho into elungayo. Just know that awukho uyi-one. Ayikho into ehlukile ngawe ukuthi hayi mhlambe mina nginama-bad luck or what. You are not alone. Feeling stuck can manifest as emotional struggles, financial difficulties, or relationship issues. As a spiritually gifted person, you are more sensitive to challenges. Asikhulume ngobizo, khona umuntu osezame konke ukulungisa. Examples, ukuhamba ihlane, uhamba amanzi ngokuhlukana kwayo, mhlambe uyokhuleka noma uyogeza, abahamba intaba abahamba entabeni, uthi uyonxusa ukuthi ubizo lwakho mhlambe or lezi zinto ezenza ukuthi ufile ukuthi yazi ngistakile entweni ethile, ithi ngihambe ngikhuleke, ithi ngifaste, ngenzeni. Kodwa ubone izinto zakho zingalungi. Why do you feel stuck? Like yini yenza ukuthi uzibone ukuthi yazi impilo yami stuck? Sometimes you are feeling stuck because of spiritual attacks, generational curses or negative energies. Other time is internal factors like fear of change, self-doubt, anxiety. External factors like toxic environment or physical isolation. Because it's not your season, can be the other reason. Because kungasi season yakho ukuthi mhlambe whatever leyo wena ukhala ngayo ukuthi be right. So ukuthi asileso sikhathi. You can read the book of Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verses 1 to 8 if you believe in the book of God, the Holy Bible. And then sometimes you are feeling stuck because it's a preparation phase. Lapho ufundiswa khona about some skills. Like angeke uze ukwazi ukuthi usize umuntu kusasa, like abantu abazoza kuwe mhlawumbe uzosebenza ngabantu ekubeni awazi next ngaleso simo leso. Like uzombonisa ini loyo muntu loyo. Yini like ama-advices ongamupha umuntu wena ekubeni asithi impilo yakho wena kazi nje ufacane nama-challenges bese kuza umuntu empilweni yakho lo oface yazini abone ukuthi umhlaba nje uyangisinda, uzothini kuye loyo muntu loyo because wena akaze uzubhekana nalawo ma-challenges. So sometimes ufakiwa kulawo kuleyo preparation phase ukuze nawe ufunde. So wena uyithatha ukuthi hey why ngihlushwa, why nginey'nkinga ezingaka kanti uyafundiswa. And in most cases ubobheka ama-challenges oba nawo as a gifted child ukuthi amaphi. Kulapho uzokhona ukubona khona ukuthi osho ukuthi mina ngizospecialize ngalokho okuthize. Say for instance, uyathakathwa kumele ukuthi ulungise ejardini, umsamo awukho right, and then uthole ukuthi wena uzophiwa ukuthi uzokwazi ukusiza abantu abazoba nalezo inkinga ezisimilar. Okay, and then alignment. You are not aligned with your guides. Can make you feel stuck empilweni yakho. And then growth, uyakhuliswa like ngishilo ukuthi ukuze ukwazi ukuthi umelane nezimo lezo ozobhekana nazo from abantu ozobasiza, your patients or your family members. And then it is if it's a spiritual attack, pray, phahla, cleanse yourself and cleanse your space. If it's not yet your season, yehlisa umoya and ask yourself ukuthi yini le omele ukuthi uyifunde. Pray, fasta, ungayeki, ungathi ayi akusisizini yami ke ngiyabona akusisizini yami bese uyayeka. Pray fast, ask God ukuthi akustrengthene njengoba wena ungakafiki kuleyo season leyo yena akubekele yona. So uku-give up angeke kukusize kuleyo ukuthi if ama-spiritual attacks, if uyenzile uyakhuleka, uyaphahla, uyacleansa yourself in your space, maybe uyazenzela and then kungalungi, then you might need ukuthi uthole umuntu ozokhona ukuthi akulekelele ngalokho because asiphiwanga ngokufana. Wena ungayithinta but ngoba manje usebumnyameni, ngoba manje uya-attack-iwe, angeke uzokwazi ukuthi uzilaphe. But loyo omunye umuntu okhethiwe ukuthi asize abantu uzokhona ukuthi uma ngabe ukunikeza isiwasho, leso siwasho sifike sisebenze kuwe. But wena uma uhamba uthole ukuthi uzithengela, hhayi, zingalungi izinto zakho. You need to do your spiritual work to align. Praying, meditating, and do ama-rituals which you're supposed to do. Then seek guidance from God. Like ungakhuleka, like I've said, wenza ama-fasting, or you seek guidance from your guides or ama-ancestors wakho, or mentors, spiritual leaders. Ungahlali nje nyakaza kuleyo nkinga leyo onayo. And then you need to take care of your spiritual journey. So yeah, like I've said that feeling stuck it's akukho mnandi. Like uthola ukuthi khona umuntu onenkinga ngayo yonke into, umsebenzi awutholi, imali ayihlali esandleni nanoma uthi uyasebenza kodwa ayihlali, ama-relationship kuyabheda, i-health yakho awukho right. Mawuthi uzama ngapha akulungi, but unga-give up. That's what I want to tell you. Do not give up. You need to fight for impilo yakho, because if you give up asho ukuthi uthina, are waiting for ilanga lakho lokugcina lapho uzohamba khona kulo mhlaba. Angeke uzohamba ungakayenzi lo msebenzi owuzele wona. So ma uwumntwana spiritually gifted, you should know that you'll be facing lots of challenges in your life. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing. Ngizomalana namhlanje. Ngicela ukuthi, like I've said, niqhubeke niyenze, do your spiritual work. Do your spiritual work and nisitshele ukuthi ayikho into engandluli. Ngeke kuze kuhlale kunje, yonke into iyashintsha emhlabeni kaNkulunkulu. So now sofika isikhathi sakho lapho uzoba right khona. Ngiyabonga, amen.